Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to recover your Plutus account. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So I haven't used my Plutus account for about a year, but I also didn't delete it. So in the meantime it went to sleep mode and I will now recover it. So first off, of course, go ahead and open up your Plutus app. So when you log in again onto your Plutus account, if you haven't used it for a while, you will receive this notification right here, saying that your account has entered sleep mode due to inactivity. So to go ahead and recover it, we will click Visit the web app. Right here, just type in your account details, that being your username and password. Now simply click Log in. And of course you would need to complete the two-factor authentication, so just go ahead and exit the app and open up your authentication app. Here just copy the code and go back to the browser and paste the code right here. Then click Confirm Token. So there we go. So now we logged in into the browser version, from where we can reactivate our account. So to get your account out of the sleep mode, just scroll down a bit and select the cheapest plan, that being the starter plan. So you can just pay this for 1 month and your account will be reactivated, and then you can go back to the standard plan. Which is quite a strange system in my opinion. After recording this video, I also reached out to Plutus support in any other way, and this is their response. So you can only recover your account if you pay them, or you can close your account. So those are your only two options if your account is in sleep mode. So if you only, let's say, want to deploy tokens that you earned through the rewards program over to your wallet, or you want to withdraw all of the funds that you transferred over to your Plutus card, you can't actually do that without paying them. So I personally have about 8 Plutus tokens on there and a few euros, so I'm thinking of just leaving that there and closing the account. So I guess the next video will be on how to close your Plutus account. So that's how you can recover your Plutus account from sleep mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.